The effects of eating watermelon daily on your body. In addition to being a cool treat on hot days, watermelon is a summertime favorite that many of us appreciate for its many health advantages. Watermelon is a healthy addition to any diet. It can help your body stay hydrated and strengthen your immune system, among other things. What precisely happens to your body when you consume watermelon daily? Watermelon is a fruit that is full of vital vitamins and nutrients that your body needs to function properly. In this video, we'll explore the several advantages of regularly ingesting this luscious fruit for your general health and well-being. Now let's discuss the 5 advantages of watermelon. 1. Promotes proper hydration. With a water content of over 92%, watermelon is a very hydrating fruit in addition to being delicious. It is among the world's most hydrating fruits. Because of this, it's a great option for anyone who wants to cool off on a hot summer day or after working out. Dehydration can result from the fluid and electrolyte losses caused by sweating. Watermelon, on the other hand, can assist us in replacing those lost electrolytes and fluids, owing to its natural sugars and high water content. In addition to being hydrated, watermelon is a great source of several important nutrients. Along with potassium, magnesium, and lycopene, it also includes vitamins A, C, and B6. Watermelon's adaptability is one of its best qualities. It can be eaten raw or cooked, frozen into popsicles, blended into smoothies, or sliced and diced. Moreover, it adds a cool touch to grilled foods, salads, and salsas. A fantastic way to remain hydrated if you struggle to drink enough water throughout the day is to include watermelon in your diet. Snacking on a slice of juicy watermelon the next time you're feeling peckish will satisfy your thirst while also offering a host of health advantages. 2. Promotes cardiac wellness. Any injury to the heart might result in serious health issues because it is an essential organ that pumps blood and oxygen to all other organs in the body. Luckily, eating watermelon is a great natural way to maintain heart health. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps prevent heart disease, is abundant in watermelon. Research indicates that lycopene can help prevent heart disease by enhancing blood vessel function and lowering inflammation. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, people with high blood pressure who drank watermelon juice had better arterial function. Citrulline has also been shown in another study to assist in lowering blood cholesterol levels. Another great food that is high in potassium, which is essential for heart health, is watermelon. Potassium lowers blood pressure and guards against heart disease. A cup of watermelon has approximately 170 milligrams of potassium, which makes it a great snack for those who have heart issues. 3. Enhances the process of digestion. Fiber-rich foods, like watermelon, are vital for a healthy digestive system. About 1.5 grams, or 6% of the daily recommended consumption, of fiber may be found in 1 cup of watermelon. Because it keeps the digestive tract moving freely and helps avoid constipation, fiber is essential. Additionally, it aids in nourishing the good bacteria in the gut, which might enhance digestive health in general. Another fruit with a high water content that is beneficial to digestion is watermelon. Water is necessary for the body to process food as it passes through the digestive system and breaks it down. We can develop digestive problems like constipation if we don't drink enough water. By keeping the body hydrated and facilitating digestion, watermelon can help avoid this. One of the benefits of watermelon for digestion is the presence of the natural enzyme bromelain. Proteins that the body may find challenging to digest can be broken down by bromelain. By doing so, you may avoid digestive problems like gas and bloating and enhance the general health of your digestive system. Are you enjoying our video? Please remember to use the like button and subscribe to our channel before we move on to the next benefit, so you don't miss any of our upcoming educational videos. 4. Encourages healthy skin. Watermelon can help keep your skin hydrated and moisturized because of its high water content. For skin that is radiant and healthy, proper hydration is crucial. Furthermore, vitamin A found in watermelon encourages the production of sebum, a naturally occurring oil that keeps skin hydrated. In addition, watermelon has a lot of vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that shields the skin from harm from free radicals. Free radicals can harm skin cells, causing fine lines and wrinkles to appear earlier than they should. Vitamin C promotes healthy, youthful-looking skin, which helps to counteract negative effects. Apart from vitamins A and C, lycopene, a potent antioxidant that shields the skin from UV rays, is also found in watermelon. One of the main factors contributing to early aging is UV exposure, which can result in wrinkles, fine lines, and discolored skin. Lycopene aids in shielding the skin from harm. Citrulline is also present in watermelon, keeping it youthful and robust. An amino acid that increases blood flow and circulation can support healthy skin by providing skin cells with vital nutrients and oxygen. This in turn may aid in stimulating the synthesis of collagen, which is necessary for elastic, healthy skin. 5. Relieves tense muscles. Watermelon is a lesser-known fruit that has the potential to relieve painful muscles. If you are one of those people who feels painful muscles after working out, you might want to think about including watermelon in your diet. L-citrulline is an amino acid that is highly concentrated in watermelon. It is well recognized that L-citrulline can lessen muscular pain and enhance sports performance. Our bodies change the L-citrulline found in watermelon into L-arginine, another amino acid. Afterwards, L-arginine aids in boosting blood flow and encouraging the body's synthesis of nitric oxide. This accelerated healing process and decreased discomfort in the muscles can be attributed to enhanced nitric oxide synthesis and blood flow. Magnesium and potassium are two electrolytes that are highly concentrated in watermelon. Electrolytes are necessary for our muscles and neurons to function properly. Sweating during exercise causes us to lose electrolytes, so eating watermelon can help restore them. Additionally, this may lessen cramping and tightness in the muscles. Did you find this video enjoyable? For more educational videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and use the like button. Thanks for watching.